Hey guys, my name is Ujjwal Singh and I welcome you here. In this video we'll discuss about Java. So let's start the video by looking at the agenda. So here's we have the agenda for the video. First we will discuss what is Java, then we'll discuss what we can do with Java, and then we'll see some real world examples. So guys, Java is a very popular programming language and it was created in 1995 and right now it is owned by Oracle. As per the Oracle, Java allows us to play online games, chat with people around the globe, and view 3D images. Now let's talk about as a programmer perspectives or a coder perspectives that what we can do with that. So we as a programmer or a coder can use Java to make mobile application, especially Android, desktop application, web application, web server and application servers, games and much more. Now here we have some real world examples. So guys, Java was used to create Instagram, Netflix and Uber kind of applications, and they all are big brand nowadays and we all know what that does. Instagram is a social media platform and helps us to stay connected with the world, where Netflix is an entertainment platform and provide us movies and show, where Uber is a transport medium we can say. We can get cabs from Uber to travel one place to another. That's all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like us and subscribe. You can also leave us a comment if you have any. That's all for this. See you in the next. Bye bye.